Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Frigidaire Washer E5 error code on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error often signals issues like a clogged drain, water inlet problems, or a faulty sensor, which can halt your laundry routine. Don't panic. I'll guide you through simple fixes that could save you a service call. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washer from the power outlet before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Once that's done, let's dive in. Step 1. Check the drain hose. This is a common culprit. Locate the hose at the back of your washer and inspect it for any kinks, clogs, or blockages. If it's bent or obstructed, straighten it out or clear the debris. Run a test cycle afterward to see if the error clears. If not, move to Step 2. Examine the water supply. Ensure the water inlet valves are fully open and that there's good water pressure. Sometimes, a partially closed valve can trigger the E5 code. Also, check the inlet screens for any buildup of mineral deposits. Clean them if necessary using a soft brush and warm water. Step 3. Try resetting your washer. This is like giving your appliance a fresh start. Unplug it for a full minute, then plug it back in and run a diagnostic cycle. Many users report this simple reset fixes the issue. If the error persists, it might be a sensor problem. For this, you'll need to access the control panel, but if you're not comfortable, stop here and call a professional. Remember, if your washer is under warranty or the problem seems complex, it's best to contact Frigidaire support. There you have it. Straightforward steps to get your washer running again. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home repair tips. See you next time.